Hello everybody, it's Sage Life, and we're back with another video. Today we're diving deep into something that's near and dear to my heart: traveling on a budget. Seeing the world doesn't have to mean emptying your bank account. Been there, done that, got the t-shirt. Over the years I've picked up some seriously killer hacks that let me explore this crazy planet without breaking the bank. So buckle up, smash that like button for the algorithm, and let's get this adventure started. Alright, first things first, we got to talk numbers. Before you even think about booking that flight, you got to figure out how much you can actually spend. Set a realistic budget, and I mean realistic. Break it down: flights, accommodation, food, activities, write it all down. This ain't just about surviving the trip, it's about thriving. Now for the fun part, where do you want to go? Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, South America, these places are budget travel gold. Your dollar goes a lot further in places where the cost of living is lower. Listen up, because this is a game changer. Peak season. More like peak prices. Traveling during the off-season or shoulder season can save you a ton of cash. Deal Hunter mode activated. Skyscanner, Kayak, Google Flights. These are your new best friends. Set up fare alerts and be ready to pounce when you see a deal. Plan it, don't wing it. Spontaneous trips are romantic, but hear me out. Having a rough itinerary can save you a ton of stress and money in the long run. Trust me, a little planning goes a long way. The early bird gets the worm and the cheap flight. Booking flights in advance is key, especially if you're traveling during popular times. The earlier you book, the better your chances of snagging a sweet deal. Budget airlines, your new BFF, Ryanair, EasyJet, AirAsia, they get you from point A to point B without breaking the bank. Pack it like a pro. Checked luggage fees? Ain't nobody got time for that. Packing light is the name of the game. Trust me, you can survive on a week's worth of clothes in a carry-on. Public transport is your friend. Buses, trains, metros, they're cheaper and a great way to experience the city like a local. Plus, you'll avoid getting stuck in traffic. Sleep on the move. Overnight trains and buses are a budget traveler's secret weapon. Just make sure you pack an eye mask and earplugs for a more comfortable journey. Walk this way or bike it. Exploring a city on foot or by bike is not only free, but also a great way to discover hidden gems. Hostel life, embrace the chaos. Hostels are the ultimate budget accommodation. Just be prepared to share a bathroom and embrace the occasional snoring roommate. Couchsurfing, sleep like a local. Connect with locals who offer free accommodation in their homes. Shared rooms, privacy not included. Platforms like Airbnb and Booking.com offer affordable dorm style and shared rooms. House sitting, home away from home, for free. Websites like Trusted House Sitters connect homeowners with travelers who are willing to take care of their pets and homes. Embrace the great outdoors. Camping, pitch a tent, build a campfire, and enjoy the serenity of nature. Negotiation, it's an art form. Don't be afraid to negotiate, especially if you're staying in one place for an extended period. The worst they can say is no. Channel your inner chef. Opt for accommodations with kitchen access and hit up local markets or grocery stores. Cooking your own meals is cheaper and a fun way to try local produce. Street food is a budget traveler's best friend. It's affordable, authentic, and a delicious way to experience local cuisine. Tourist traps often mean inflated prices and mediocre food. Venture away from the main tourist areas and seek out restaurants where the locals eat. Avoid costly impulse purchases by packing your own snacks. Bottled water adds up. Carry a reusable water bottle and fill it up whenever you can. Many hostels and public places offer free water refills. Free breakfast. The most important meal of the day and the cheapest. When booking accommodation, check if breakfast is included. It's a great way to start your day with a full stomach without spending extra cash. Free activities, culture on a budget. Look for free attractions like museums, parks, art galleries, and historical landmarks. Many cities offer free walking tours or have free admission days at certain attractions. Discount passes your ticket to savings. Many cities offer tourist passes that provide discounted access to multiple attractions and transportation options. It could save you a significant amount of money. So there you have it, folks, my ultimate guide to traveling on a budget. With a little planning and some savvy budgeting, you can make your travel dreams a reality without breaking the bank. Do you have any tips on traveling on a budget? Put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel tips and guides.